credit management. So I'll give some more input on that for credit management. So one thing about credit segment, only out of the credit segment. So we have you can have a master credit segment, so main credit segment, and can be related with the other lower level credit segments. For example, common level can have a credit segment, and we can link other lower level credit segment with the main credit segment. So that can be done from here. So in the credit segments, so by default, you can see other credit segments. This will be created. We get all these segments. We created this one. We have the option here add contribution to main credit segment. Okay, so normally in all the if you go for new entries, that option will not be there. So that option will not be there. So yeah, every this option is there, but one main you can see one main segment, but default main segment is there in SAP default by S4HANA default. So one main segment is there that we cannot change. Take this simple these 4 zeros, the 4 zeros. You see the details about 4 zeros. We have the option again see here main credit segments. So but we cannot create our own credit segments by default. SAP default standard one. This only the 4 zeros can be the main credit segment. Other things other segment we cannot create as a main credit segment. By default, this is the main credit segment. Okay, then when we link the credit control area, we link the credit segment main segment to the credit control area. So we are making here so linking into assign credit control area credit segment. So for example, we took the for us it is TRGC. So I link in the TRGC, I link the main credit segment, I link the main credit segment here. For example, this one we created. So link the main credit segment, here. So this is a main credit segment, I link it to the main credit control area. Okay. Then after this, so create one more segment. Now we get the other credit segment, for example. So not this one. So here only credit segments. So now make a new credit segment. You can check this add contribution to main credit segment. So main credit segment will be split into different credit segments. And how to, so in this case, we have the option to, so we get to link this segment to the credit control area here, credit segment. But the option to assign only one credit segment. We get option, you can add for the main credit control area, or credit control area, you can link it only one segment at a time. So you can link only one segment. But if you want multiple segments, you have to get multiple control areas. So you get to create multiple credit control and further you can assign the credit segment. But in SAP standard, in the standard system, the one company code can have only one controlling area, credit control area. So to enable other credit control area for the same company code, the option here assign permitted credit control area to company code. So here I can assign multiple credit segment to the credit control area, to the company code. Okay, so if you create multiple credit control area, so that will be done from the entry structure. So that can be linked here. So like this. So for my company, my company TRG, I have linked two credit control areas. I linked here. Okay, so here in the assignment of segment here, so down. So I can link the credit control area with the multiple. So here in the, so here, now I have one more credit control area. I can link that. For second credit control area, the TRG1, I get TRG1. This I made the infrastructure and finance account made a credit control area. I can link the second credit segment here. So this is a main credit. This is a link the main credit segment, and this is my lower level credit. This is a lower level credit segment. Okay, like this you can maintain the multiple credit segment for the linking with the main credit segment. So this one option. That was question. So that was question one of you raised. That can be solved this way. So another one was that BP grouping. So you want a main BP master and link with the
But
other
Shekhar,
lower. Yeah, please.
with the same credit segment.
Okay.
And so you're saying that we can assign multiple credit control area to one company code, right?
Yeah, yes.
And credit segment is assigned to the controlling area.
Controlling area, correct, yeah.
Right. But if I yesterday I given that my requirement, right, for the different customers, I have the different risk categories and their control should be different. How we can go with the, because in company code, when we are talking about the credit control area, it should be one because they have many authorizations and access related issues. Also, the controlling part is there. So normally in live scenarios, one many company code can assign to one credit control area, right? And from there, it's get controlled by all company codes. So when I'm talking that my requirement is that according to the risk category, I should have the different control for the credit block. Like in high risk category, whenever the sales order get created, it should be on the credit block. Okay, whereas low risk category, we should give the warning message if the credit exposure is finished, right?
Okay.
So how I can do that means if we go with this credit segment, you are saying that only one credit segment is assigned to the one credit control area, but all this control in the within the credit segment, right? How I can achieve within the, when we're talking about live scenarios, I'm talking.
Okay.
So how we can do that?
So here for can ask the credit segment to the so multiple credit control areas. Okay. So this both are linked with my company code. Both are my credit control, both my different credit segments. So this is the main credit segment. Like that, I can maintain different controlling area and link.
I understand that, Shekhar, but in live scenario, it's not possible. We can't have the multiple credit control area for one company code. Okay. That is not suitable.
So this is option they are given for the system. So maybe they will come with more.
Can you go into the credit segment? There should be some maybe the sub segment will be there where we can do create credit segment. Not here.
Yeah, credit segment here. Yeah. So for example, this one I created here. So we are linking this one, add contribution to main credit segment.
Add contribution to main credit segment.
So it's only for lower levels available. So if you go to the main segment, this is a main segment. We are not having the option, only having main credit segment. For all the lower level, we can connect with the main credit segment. All the lower levels, link with the credit segment. Add contribution to main credit segment.
And then assign credit segment. There we have the controls, right? Yesterday you shown me that the controls are there in credit segment.
In credit segment, yeah, in the main credit segment.
Can you just go and select the details? Maybe in details they have the.
Where in the credit segment here? Huh?
Yeah, select that and go to details. Select anyone maybe. Okay, no, this is. It's not the. You shown yesterday, right? The horizon period, all those stuff are there. Credit values.
That was in where it was that in that. So that was in credit segment. Not in this one. That one is classes. Somewhere it was that one. So default risk one. I think that was in. So there you are showing that that setting was there, yeah, that one. So we get a different automatic credit control.
No, not here.
Not this one. Also, that one.
I think that is shown in master data level.
So here. Master data, the rating percentage is there. Then credit group, what's the credit? That is this node settings inside. That was in this one.
Now select that and go to the some credit limit and all those stuffs are here. This I think.
So credit limit. So this one is not there. Not this one.
I think this rules and everything will maybe have something, because in normal regular business is not, we can't assign multiple credit control area to one company code. That is not a suitable option.
But they have given this option only as of now. Checking rules, checking rules. Not this one, checks here. At least here it was.
Now this one, okay. So check rule is defined. So where we assign the check rule?
So check rule is in so check rule was in here and then. So this is a risk category. So it's a credit group is
check rule. Okay.
So I forgot what check rule was. I just missed out. So the risk class is that. Then this is a rule. This is a rule. Create rule for scoring is that. Check rule. This is a different check rule. It's a check rule. So same thing coming. This only is there. So this one. So here not there. So actually, okay.
Somewhere it may get assigned. Because I can say the controls are similar when you're talking about the ECC.
Okay.
And that's a checking rule. But, how we can assign to that or where the assignments with that. So you go to the checking rule again and select the multiple. That there are many options we can see.
Check rule.
Go to the, check rule.
So check rule was here.
Define checking rule.
Yeah, it was there. Yeah. So it's a different checking rule. Different checking rule. So there here are the three options. Then go
select the third one. Select the third one.
Yeah. Go for check here.
And checks.
Yeah.
This having the horizon. Okay. What about the credit segment? Now here the credit segment.
Credit segment, yeah.
So here we can assign.
We can link the credit segment here. The horizon we can link here.
So which credit segment we have to assign here? The one we defined there. So which we assign to the
whatever defined. So all the segments you can be all the segments getting the here the percentage you can give here. Which are created and assigned the credit control area. That's those things you can give the this detail can give here. And the horizon they can tell you give here. Okay, so as of now the multiple credit control is a solution given. So they maybe they will come with more options later.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay. And about the BP master, having the BP groupings. So we want a higher level partner and link with the lower partners. So for that you have to make a relation. It can be done through relationship. Through relationship option, you can maintain the link the loyal. You can link the partners to one group. You can make a group of business partners using the relationship option. Okay, for example, first we make a person as a main business partner. Then in the loyal business partner, you can link they can link the main partner. For example, main person we make as a person you can make a group also. You make a group or person. So then you go for you make a business partner as a So I'll use the name here. Okay, so I'm making as a person in the general role. I'm showing this one. For the person will maintain all the partner roles, BP roles. So go for the FLC and all the other roles, all the things. So FLC, take FLC was customer SD, then under sales and distribution. So go for the sales organization and the details. Sales is mandatory entry. Okay, so then go for, we'll say this one. So tax exempt. Okay, then let on someone else, so they're missing the language. So the under sales institution, we'll enter the details here. I'll say this one. Say this one. Okay, then go for the finance role. Some company code. Such company code. TRG. Enter. This one. If for this problem, go to switch company code. I change to 1110. Say this one. So then change to switch company code. Change to your company code. So now say this one. So we made a master data, and we are going to link the UKM role. UKM is for credit management, UKM. So now we'll do the credit profile. So rules, executive rules. So I'm taking go for new business partners and validity date. This class. I'm taking this one and the check rule. Say they can go with this thing, credit group. Some rating procedure. I can take from here also. Take one of the rating procedure. And the rating. So we'll go for good option. Can make it as a positive. Okay. So now go for the credit segment data.
Yes, Shekhar, this check rule, if you go to that check rule is, I think here we have to assign. If you go there, that the earlier tab which you shown, yeah, here check rule. Can you just check that multiple options are there in
This
check
one.
rule? No. In check rule.
Okay, yeah. So the one what you're saying is that one will come here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And based on this is nothing but I think the control we can do here from. If it is a low risk customer, then we can assign the accordingly like that.
Yeah, this from the BIP master level, you can control this one. And the credit segment data, Yeah. Okay. One second. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Then yeah. Then credit segment data. We have to, we are now we are assigned to TRGC. This one, both the things are there. So TRG SEG will take this one, TRG for sales. You can limit for this, for the whole for this. This person is going to the master's BP. So I'll put some limit like this much limit. Can leave the validity date also. And to make effective, click on this option, that is so first enter. Then go for salary limit defined, salary defined. So okay, so then so this is the setting for the business partner. So we'll save this one. Save the business partner, customer supplier, customer master. Okay, then now we'll go for the lower level supplier. So go for BP again. We'll take an existing supplier. We'll take an existing customer. So we'll take one of the customer. So I'm taking this already. I used this one, BCD10. I'll take the BCD10. This is a customer. So I'll go for from this screen. First change to that UKM. Then click on relationship. Click on this relationship. So, this is the already maintain, I think. Okay, not maintain. Okay, so you can maintain that also. You can maintain the credit control details, the credit management details. Then in the relationship, okay, so you got to fill this first. You got to fill this part. Anyway, so it's allowing you now. So in the relationship category, take the option here. Take the option credit management here. Credit management option. They take a credit management is managed by. So then we'll get credit segment. In the same credit segment, what we are saying for the main supplier customer, and with the relationship with BP, search for the person we created. So what we name give? So what name I give that? Mohan. So Mohan. That's the last name. You got to give the first name. This one created. Then create. So now he is the person. He is the credit segment. This is a credit segment. So now we are connected this supplier. This supplier connected with the this supplier. He is the person who is going to control the credit controlling. So credit control manager. He is going to do this. So when you practice, check this one. So try with this option. Scheduling the fill details. So when you practice, please check this one. How to you can explore this one during your practice session. Okay, then you can maintain the credit segment also. The credit segment data also can maintain here. So when you practice, please check this one. Make some transaction check how it is changing the. Okay, so it's the credit segment, and okay, we'll do on okay, I'll do on sales order. So yesterday we didn't see that. Can put the limit here. So actually, so for here you can, so once you get the limit here, you have to check this release limit. So immediately will not be the release. Click on the release button. Now it's defined for this customer. For this customer, defined 1 lakh as the credit limit. Okay, so we'll say this one. The customer BCD10. We made a segment. We made a credit management for this sub customer. So we go for VH11. party was so customer was BCD 10. So BCD 10 is not there. Huh? Okay, I think BCD 1 is that BCD 3 is not there. Okay, trade is a supplier customer 402. So 1 second, let me check that one because I forgot which must have defined that. BPC 10. Oh, it is not showing there. I will check it out. So basically 10. This 10 is not coming here. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take another supplier. I'll take another customer. This customer here 402. 402 is not because I made again it's not working. So I'll take 1801. The customer will be 1801. 1801. So the big master will check for. I'll use the credit limit. We'll check that sales order. So yesterday I checked in this one. This is our customer ABCD 10. I'll take this customer BCD only. I'll take and other details. Like here's a quantity of some 15. So his credit limit is actually for the customer, this customer. Credit. So again, this okay, this material. So I made a config material for this one. Material. So give some 15 quantity. And for this customer, okay, for this customer, so if you see the customer master data, so he's having the credit limit. We can't see from here. So okay, so credit limit is 10,000 I given there in the credit segment, the credit manager. I given the limit of 10,000. So I go for the. So actually, so if you go for the conditions. So PV, so PR double zero is not the VS double zero. As one said, actually I made a change in the pricing procedure. Then I'll do that. Will make a new business order and we'll check this one. So in the pricing configuration, change the pricing procedure details. That's it. So in the VAWC as a variant price. So we'll make a new sales order. So I'll make a new BP. So better to we can set a successfully. I'll go for BP master. I'll make a new sub customer. The name is JRS. So I'll give the name as JRS. The details. Say this one. To be created. Next step is going to display to change mode. So go for FLC. Under sales and distribution. So the details. Enter. Sales district. Then this one. Then under so general data only here. So here under ship orders. So sales office. Sales group. Down here. So it's already there. Shipping. And billing. Good. Here. So task classification. So we'll say this one. Then finance role. Company code. So go for the switch company code. First we'll do this as with something in the server. So some where to get to here. So I'll try to save it, not to save. So change to switch company code again. E1710. Give the question account. Save this one. Then go for the change option into our company code. Switch company code. And change to PRG. Enter. Save this one. Okay, so finally the UKM rule. UKM. So go for here. I'll go for the profile. We'll take the same thing. We'll take this one as a new business customers and validate date. This class 25. So then go for the check rule, credit group, then rating procedure. Go for the segment data. See the segment. It is same segment. Name defined. 1 lakh giving. Okay. So credit increased showing that 1 lakh. So now save this one. Okay, so customer number is we'll check this one again, very difficult one. So customer number was 406. Customer number is 406. Go for sales order. That is 406. Plant. So go for material now. That is this one. I'm giving some 100 quantity so that will exceed the credit limit. Yeah, so because I took the risk category, the beep master is not defined. So in the setting here, we have defined the here and there. So I will change the category. The customers data. This category A is not the category. A is not the. A is actually see the beep master. So that in that UKM. Under the so here credit profile. So I taken here this one. That's A. So we maintain D. We maintained D that last time. So I take D here. Still take the sales out again. I got to close and open, I think. So I got to again. Okay, it's 406. Okay, so price missing, go for the conditions. 0. 1,000 rupees. Enter. Okay, still the error message should come, it didn't come. So credit block, the credit increase message should come. So it again not showing that. So actually should, so when I make the, so when I do this one, so should that message should come. 1 lakh rupees, we had validated it. So liabilities, so need often different. So when you make when you give the price conditions, I should, so total is actually this much amount. So I'll increase this price here. 1 lakh, I'll increase the price now. So it's 1,10,000. So the limit we are given that is so again, so 1 lakh, so 1 lakh amount. Try to do it again. So I'll do one thing. We'll skip this one as of now. We'll finish other things. We'll take some topics and maybe again I show tomorrow this one. So only the price only that credit information will come. The whether it's exceeding like that message should come. Actually, I was checking this okay. I don't know why it's not working now. So you define a different and define the this one and then here in the UKM because then so here in the general data. New business customers and so I check once for other sale twice for this again tomorrow. How is affecting the sales order? So maybe I'll tomorrow. One more I'll try. Others I'll show tomorrow. This particular option. Value 30,000. $25. What is it only 30,000? $240,000. Okay, so I'll check this again tomorrow because so when I check it was working and the check is not working.
Second, can you check in BP Master whether credit exposure is updated or not?
Credit exposure, huh?
Yeah, if it should update.
One second. Let
Yeah.
me check. Yeah, one second. So this customer, what you are saying the last class. I'll check this one. Give 1 minute. I'll check this one. I just have disabled that option, I think. So immediately the message should come that now we got the other message. So this is the credit check here. So it has to exceed. So for this BCD one, exceeded this much amount exceeded. So this message will come for the credit limit exceeded credit limit. Okay, so I can still say this one. And doing delivery will be blocked. Carrying the delivery block by using the approval procedure. Okay, so this one I wanted to show you that message for the credit limit exceeding the credit limit. Okay, so block for delivery, block for the delivery. So what you wanted, BIP master, what you wanted that standard orders, so that way. Go to BIP master. This one I took this for the sales order. If you go to segment data, you can see that. So this is the credit exposure 5,000 showing there. So latest one is not showing that, showing the credit exposure showing that. Showing 5,000 out of 10,000. This one, another one I took for sales order. So I took 5,000. So it's showing a credit exposure 5,000 rupees. So limited 10,000, already 5,000 exceeded by 5,000. Okay. So this is the confusion and working for the credit management.